A lot of people think they know how to use AI. I'm here to prove them wrong. Watch this. Hey Lily, as my YouTube creative co-pilot, based on everything we discussed so far, suggest 3 YouTube titles ideas that will grab my audience attention and have the potential to go viral. The YouTube titles should stay under 70 characters and have a ranking score over 90 on vidIQ.
Hey Billy, here are 3 fresh YouTube title ideas under 70 characters that are designed to grab attention and have viral potential. Optimized for high vidIQ ranking. 1. Unlock AI's full potential. 5 prompting secrets you must know. 2. Master AI prompts like a pro in just 60 seconds. 3. Top AI prompting mistakes you're making and how to fix them. These titles are optimized to rank well on vidIQ, combining high-interest topics with clear value, all under 70 characters. Let me know what you think.
Pretty cool, right? Now this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what AI can do. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to unlock AI full potential by mastering the art and science of prompting the right way. And the best part, you don't need any coding skills or technical background. I'm going to walk you through a simple structure that will help you come up with a killer prompt every time in under 60 seconds, no matter what task you're working on. Plus, I've created an AI assistant just like Lily that's based on the exact structure that I'm about to teach you. It's ready to guide you step by step, and I will share it with you in this video for free so you can start using it immediately. It will transform the way you work with AI and make your prompts even more powerful. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So, before diving in, let me tell you about a conversation I had with a good friend of mine, Jordi. Now, Jordi is a content creator. He's deep into AI and he uses it every day. So, we're talking one day and I just casually asked him, "Hey Jordi, do you use AI to write your YouTube scripts?" And he looked at me almost offended. "No, I've tried it and it sounds too robotic. I mean, it's AI. It's gonna sound like AI, right?" And here's the funny part where you will definitely relate with Jordi. Jordi tells me he avoids using AI for big things like writing YouTube scripts because he thinks that he needs to write this super detailed prompt from scratch. It's like the guy over here composing the perfect AI prompt symphony before even pressing enter. Writing prompt that way is super boring and exhausting. But on a serious note, Jordi also had concern about plagiarism and content authenticity. He wanted to convey a unique idea through his videos and he didn't want his content to feel like a copy-paste content. And I get it, we've all been there. So I asked him, "Are you really using ChatGPT the right way? Are you prompting it correctly?" He was like, "What do you mean?" That's when I showed him this method, the exact method that I'm about to teach you in this video. Since that day, he's been using that method for almost everything, whether content creation, idea generation, or even just brainstorming. And spoiler alert, he's gonna come on this channel too to share his AI tips. So, whether you're like Jordi, using AI every day but feeling that it's not really clicking, this method is going to help you get more out of AI. First thing foremost, you need to give your AI a specific role or identity. AI is like a jack of all trades, knowing a lot about many things. So you need to give it a clear direction to get more focused and tailored results. To illustrate this, let's head over to my computer. So we're going to use ChatGPT for this example, and let's ask it something simple, like give me marketing tips. Here are some marketing tips tailored to your freelance expertise in social media, blah, blah, blah. All right, so you can see here a very general answer, right? Okay. Now, let's give our AI a specific role and let's see the difference. Now, watch what happens when I give it a role. Let's say act as a marketing manager for a tech startup. Now, give me 3 marketing tips, specifically for growing YouTube channels. And see the magic happen. All right, as a marketing manager for a tech startup, here are 3 specific tips to help grow your YouTube channel. Create educational and problem-solving content, consistency and playlists, engage with your audience and community. So you can see here that by giving the AI a role or identity, we give it a direction to give us better results. Step 2. The request. The keyword here is clarity. You need to be clear about your request to AI. Let's see an example. Let's say I want to come up with a content idea for my YouTube channel. If I ask, give me a content idea. Again, you can see that ChatGPT is giving me pretty general information, not tailored to my specific situation. Now, what's the right way to do it? So first, I'm going to say, act as a YouTube growth specialist and give me a content idea for a YouTube video teaching people how to write better AI prompts, for example. Could you see the difference? A great YouTube idea for teaching people how to write better AI prompts is Mastering AI Prompts, 7 tips to get the best results every time. I love it. It might be the title for this video. Step number 3, context. To get the best result out of AI, you need to provide it context. Context means telling the AI, what are your goals? What's your audience? What are you trying to achieve? What are other details that will actually help AI, in this case ChatGPT or any other AI tools that you might be using like Gemini and Claude, to understand your current situation. That's the only way for it to provide tailored solution that fits your need. Now, if you're like me and you're already bored of typing, let me show you a quick tip. You can actually dictate your prompt by simply pressing the F5 button on your Mac. Let us improve the previous prompt by adding some context. As a YouTube growth specialist and my creative co-pilot, give me a content idea for a video teaching my audience how to write better AI prompts, period. To give you some context, my audience consists of both male and female, primarily aged between 25 and 50, period. They are content creators, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts, period. They are passionate about personal development, productivity, and building multiple sources of income, period. Let's see how it goes. Just look at it. It's so impressive. Unlocking AI's full potential. How to write prompts that skyrocket your productivity and income. It's not bad at all. Step number 4, use constraints or restrictions. If I say, give me YouTube video titles, it might give me a long list that's a bit overwhelming. So by saying, give me 3 video titles under 70 characters, I give restrictions to my prompt. Let us apply this together to my previous prompt. As a YouTube growth specialist and my creative co-pilot, give me 3 concise content ideas for a video teaching my audience how to write better AI prompts, period. My audience consists of both male and female, primarily are aged between 25 and 50, period. They are content creators, entrepreneurs, and tech enthusiasts, or even students, period. They are passionate about personal development, productivity, time management, and building multiple sources of income. The content ideas should be short and concise and have a different approach to target different market segments. Let's see what it says. 1. AI prompts for content creators. Supercharge your creativity. 2. Entrepreneurs. Write AI prompts that boost productivity and scale your business. 3. Maximizing AI for students. Study smarter, not harder with custom prompts. So see, with just a couple of steps so far, we are able to create very specific and most importantly, tailored prompts. So instead of copy pasting all those AI prompts from all the AI gurus out there blindly, you now understand the science behind creating killer prompts. But it's not over yet. Step number 5, refine your prompt. So here I can say something like this. I like those content ideas, but I want us to refine them so that it fits under 70 characters while staying eye-catchy. So, a quick recap of what we've learned so far. Step number 1, give the AI an identity. Instead of just saying something random like, give me 5 ideas, say, act as a YouTube strategist and give me 5 ideas. Step number 2, clarity in request. Be specific about what you ask the AI. You need to be clear, specific, and straight to the point. Step number 3, provide context. Help the AI help you. So you need to provide more information, more context, so that the AI understands your needs, who you are, and what you want. Step number 4, use constraints. Restrictions help the AI to give you tailored answer and not just wander around and hallucinate. And finally, step number 5, refine your prompts and results. Never accept the first response that AI gives you. You need to iterate to reinforce its learning so that it provides you with better results. Be sure to click on this video to see how it's done.